All right, continuing with exercise 6.6, simplify again. So this is a longer version of what we have been doing so far. Okay, so this 2a will multiply both of this, you can see here, and then this 3 plus 3b will also multiply both of this. Next we have 2a square will multiply both of this. Next we have plus 3b, so we'll multiply both of this here again. Okay, so then once we're done with that, let's start the multiplication. 2 3s are 6, then a into a square, then 2 4s are 8, then a into b, we'll have here ab. Let's go to the next. 3 3s are 9. You can see we have ba here, but I'm going to write on a first. All right, the next 3 4s are 12, then b into b square. Next 2 3s are 6, then a square into a square, we'll have a to the power 4, and 2 4s are 8, and then we have a square b. All right, the last 3 3s are 9, then I'm gonna write once again a square first, right, and then keep b at the second, and 3 4s are 12, then b into b will have b square. Once we are done with that, with the multiplication, we'll try to find if there are any like terms are there or not. All right, so if you try to find for 6a, there's none. Okay, 6a squared is by itself, so just leave it. Now let's ab. So you can see ab, right? One is 8, the other is 9. They are both plus, so we'll add the numbers. Okay, 8 plus 9, we're going to get 17, or we're going to get 17 ab. Let's go to the next. Again, if you look here, 12b square, both of them are plus, right? Then 12 plus 12, we're going to get 24 b square. And then now if you look here, this has no like term, so just leave it here. And if you look here again, a square b, both are plus, so I can add the numbers, right? Add to 16, then 17, so we'll have 17 a square b. So you can stop your answer here, right? The last step, we're just arranging the terms according to their power. Okay, so when you look at the largest power here is 4, a to the power 4, so this is here first, and then we're keeping this a to the power a square second. All right, then we're coming to b, and then we're coming to a square b, and then 17ab at the end, the last. All right, so once again, you can stop here. Your answer is still correct. Okay, let's do one more. So here if you look, same thing, but we have now in place of plus, we have what? We have minus. All right, so same thing again. 4b will multiply both of this, and then this 3c also will multiply both of this. Next, because of the minus, I'm going to put it under a bracket. Okay, this 5a will multiply both of this, and also this plus 2b will also multiply both of this. If you're done with that now, just like the previous question, we just have to multiply. So 4 3s are 12, and then bc, right? Then 4 4s are 16, b into b square. Next 3 3s are 9, c into c squared, and 3 4s are 12. Once again, c, we have c first, but I'm going to write b first, right? So 12 bc. Now let's start under the bracket. 5 4s are 20, a into a square. Then 5 5s are 25, ab, right? Then 2 4s are 8. Once again, I'm going to write on a first, right? So ab, then 2 5s are, then b into b, we're going to have b square. All right, once we're done with that, let's now remove the bracket. Okay, so nothing happens to the first, just write on as it is. But remember, now we're going to open a bracket here, plus is there, right? So minus into plus, minus, minus into plus, minus, minus into plus, minus, minus into plus, once again minus. All right, so the last step is just finding the like terms again. Okay, so 12 bc, they are both plus, right? So we can add the numbers. 12 plus 12, we're going to get 24 bc. Then if we look at b square, then here we have another one, but can you see that one is plus, the other is minus, right? So 16 minus 10, plus is greater, so we'll be left with 6b square. So 9c square is no like term, so just leave it as it is. Now let's go to minus 20a squared. This has no pair, right? So just write it down. And if you look here, can you see that we have ab and ab again? And if you look, they're both minus, so we have to add them, but the sign will be minus. So minus 25 minus 8, we're going to get minus 33 ab. All right, so once again, you can stop there. Your answer is correct. Okay, but we're just writing them down according to the powers again. So you can see that here, this we're going to write on this first, then b second, then c square, and then we're going to write on this 24 bc, and at last we'll write on this minus 33 ab. But once again, like I said, you can always stop here, right?